Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 12108 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2007 Toyota RAV4. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 15 to 30 minutes depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. If present, remove the plastic panel on the driver's side and trim it accordingly using the trim diagram illustrating your supplied instruction sheet. This vehicle did not have the panel present. Remove the tie-down bracket from the driver's side frame rail. This will not be reinstalled later. Use a spray lubricant or soapy water mixture and spray down the exhaust system's rubber isolators. Use a specialty tool or pry bar and remove the rubber isolator from the exhaust hanger. Raise the hitch into position and install the included bolts and washers into the vehicle's frame attachment points. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall any removed exhaust hanger rubber isolators. This completes the installation of the CURT 12108 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2007 Toyota RAV4. Add style with the exclusive CURT Euromount option and get the vehicle to trailer wiring harness designed for your RAV4 installed next. Now you can bring it.